be showing you how to make a click, like, I already know like what to do a tutorial on. Let's just make an updated tutorial of how to make buttons that are animated and have sounds. So this is a updated version just for you. So first what we want to do is create a new blueprint. Now you just want to grab a first what you want to do is you want to make a circle any shape you want. I do not own you because you could just make it your own color and then do it like this. So now you just want to restart again because I messed up. Now you just want to you want to have a dark color of what color you want. So now I just want to color in now. So for me, I'm gonna make it a red button. So now you want to grab. So first you want to get darker version of it, a dark thing. Now we want to get the normal one. Now I'll just see if this works. You can see it works. Like the color is good and stuff. And I just want to get a pen. Just draw over it like that. If you see any like little things like that, then you just wanna color it in like that. You can also see where I'm tapping. You can see there's nothing. So now I just wanna grab the thing, delete it. So make sure you make a second frame. Now I just wanna make sure the same size. So now I just want to somehow make. So now I'm gonna color in, make sure so it'll look like this. I just wanna put it here. Now make sure, or if you don't want it to be the same, so you could rename this if you want. So I'm gonna rename it to button, and then you also wanna change the colliders if you want. So the colliders will be changed. Oh, never mind. So I just wanna change the collider to be like this thing, and then like that. Now now I just want to get a script with when. So first what I want to do is when this is pressed, modify a property, and then want to scroll down, current frame, and then 2. Now I want to make, so now you want to make a new rule when the touch ends on this. I'm going to modify a property, and again, same thing, current frame, and you want to set it to 1. So now when you press it, it goes down. Now it goes down. So so I can make it in the middle, then you'll have this little button that goes down. So when you press it, it goes down, but when you untouch it, then it goes up. So hold up. I just want to and just move my little thing. I'll just close this. Help guys, I just need to move my little thing so it won't like be in the way. So now you want to do it so when there is a when this is tapped, or you could do when the touch begins on this, and then you want to do so you want to scroll down. So hold up, just get my little thingy so it won't be in the way. So you just want to scroll down until you see sound. So see play sound, then so you could just press this. So now you got a little sound. You could add a sound when so make a new one when the touch ends on this. You could play another sound. So 1, 3, 3, 7. Make sure you can see all my fingers are going on. So hold up, I'm gonna try to do I think that said hi. Probably that was just an X. So now you got a little button. I'll see you in the next video.